iCity Power ithathe iphulo layo lokuqobisana nokuqhagamshelwa kombane ngongekho semthethweni yalisa kwindawo yokuhlala etyalayo iKliptown Square Complex eSoweto namhlanje ekuseni. Njengenxalenye yephulo, eliziko lombane linqumamise unikezelo lombane kwesakhiwo sakwaJoshco ngenxa yokutsweba, nto leyo evuse umsindo kubahlali. Abahlali abalugcwabevu ngumsindo baligxeke ngakumbi inyathelo leCity Power bekwakhankanya imiba yonxibelelwano olugwenxa.
They have no right to shoot. They have no right to stand around here because this is a private property.
Sidineza kanonwabo izakhamuzi zaseKliptown Square Soweto osukwini lanamhlanje ziphikisana nohlelo labeCity Power lokunqamula ugesi wabo oxhunywe ngokungemthetho. Lezakhamuzi zikhala ngeindleko zempilo, bakhala ngokuthi abanawo amandla okuthenga ugesi kanti bathi nenani likagesi limbeqolo.
SAPS has better things to do. If you ask SAPS, JMPD, everyone, do you have a court order? If they don't have a court order, they must remove themselves from this property. That is what is supposed to happen. Because it's happening in Devlin as well. People's stuff are just being taken. Joshco, if you look at this meters is not even on the people's names. This is on the Joshco's name. Why are you allowing this to be on Joshco's name? This is nonsense. We have a case against the city regarding this. These meters that they are putting is not SABS approved. Let them show us it's SABS approved.
Lezakhamuzi zithi sekuphele iminyaka emine zizama ukuxhumana nenkampani uJoshco kungekho impendulo eziyitholayo. Bakhala ngokuthi akekho uxhumana nabo ukubazisa ngeinhlelo zendawo abahlala kuyona, bavele babone sekuthathwa isinqumo njengosuku lwanamhlanje. Bakhala ngokuthi babone sekunqanyulwa ugesi wabo kungekho bazisile ngalokho.
No, there's no illegal connection. Every morning we wake up without water. So you must prepare the night before to make sure that every morning you've got water. As we speak now, the water's gone. We were paying rental, but most of us are unemployed now. We don't have money for rental. Our kids must eat, our kids must still go to school, and they must still have a good livelihood. But we can't afford to pay rent, and Joshco promised us these flats. Now it's time to hand over the flats. Joshco comes, imposes City Power on us. So the expectation is that you must pay 400 rand a month to make up for what you owe them, and the admin fee or levy for that particular month. However, we found ourselves paying much more because people, like I'm saying, if you're spending 1,000 rand, you'll find yourself with 400 rand electricity. That's how it works.
We have emails that we've been communicating with Cian from City Power. Even this morning we tried to call him, he was avoiding our calls. So Cian said he's going to reinstate those people's boxes that are without electricity from 15 days. So now today, to our surprise, he sends them in again to come and take other people's things out. So we don't understand because we've been communicating with him when we have proof of paper. You understand? Those people, they have proof that they've been buying electricity. So now, to our surprise, we see those people again here in the yard, coming to do the same thing they did last week, without communicating.
This is a High Court order from the city of Johannesburg, from a High Court in Johannesburg, that mandates Joshco to mediate with us. Joshco, together with the city of Johannesburg, are doing what they please. They came in here without consultation, number one. Number two, they came in here without telling us what are they going to do. When they came to disconnect, even people that didn't, myself included, that did not jump, right? They illegally disconnected us.
Lezakhamuzi zibe seyicela umhlangano ophuthumayo nabakwaJoshco kanjalo nabeCity Power ukuxoxa kabanzi ngeinselelo ababhekana nazo kule ndawo.
We've had enough. We have had enough.
Kanezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu.